In this question, we're looking to factorize a quadratic. So we're expecting two brackets. The first term in the first bracket will be 5x, and in the second bracket will be x. We know this because 5x multiplied by x would give us the 5x squared. Our job is to find out what the remaining numbers are in the brackets. We can draw up a table to help us to find out what these numbers will be. The top row of the table represents the first bracket, which is 5x, and then a number. And the first column of the table represents the second bracket, which is x, and then a number. If we multiply together the 5x and the x, we get 5x squared. What we also know is that when we multiply the two numbers together, we should get plus 6. So we know that those two numbers multiplied together will give us the plus 6. So we have options. We could have 6 multiplied by 1, negative 6 multiplied by negative 1, 3 multiplied by 2, and negative 3 multiplied by negative 2. So there is an element of trial and error involved now. Because the middle term is negative 13, we'll expect to have at least one negative number. So we might try the negative 6 and negative 1 options first. So we try negative 6 and negative 1, and we multiply to fill out the rest of the table. So negative 6 by x, negative 6x, and 5x multiplied by negative 1 is negative 5x. And the aim is for these two terms to add together to make the negative 13. But unfortunately, we only get negative 11. So that option doesn't work. So we have to now try another option. We could reverse those numbers. So the negative 6 will be in this box and the negative 1 in this box. We multiply again. Negative 1 by x gives us negative x. And 5x multiplied by negative 6 gives us negative 30x. When we add those together, we get negative x and negative 30. That's negative 31x, which again is no good. So those numbers are not working. We move on to different options. We have negative 3 and negative 2 possibly. So we put those into the box. And we multiply again. Negative 3 by x, negative 3x. And 5x by negative 2 gives us negative 10x. If we add those together, negative 3 and negative 10, we get negative 13x, which is exactly what we want. This means that the answer to our question must be first bracket 5x minus 3, second bracket x minus 2. And to check the answer at the end, we could just multiply the brackets and make sure that it gives us the original expression.